Hi, we're Rumi and Zoey. If you love moving with us, tap like and subscribe. Today we're waking up the whole body with a fun partner yoga flow full of energy, balance, and teamwork. Stand back to back and feel your partner gently touching you. Plant your feet on the floor and grow tall through your spine. Now sweep your arms out and up overhead. Take a big breath in and feel your whole body wake up. Then lower your arms with control. It's like the two of you are two bright rockets getting ready for liftoff. Turn to face each other and hold both hands. Step your feet wide apart and lean back a little from the center. Keep your arms long and your chest lifted. Both of you make a strong, wide star shape together. Feel your legs, arms, and belly helping you stay steady. You're like two glowing stars pulling the same line across the sky. Stay facing each other and stand tall. Lift one knee up strong and tap your partner's hands in the middle. Lower down with control, then switch to the other side. Try to move at the same time like a perfect mirror. This pose wakes up your balance and your belly muscles quickly. It feels like two playful robots powering up together. Stand back to back again and walk your feet a little forward. Now bend your knees and sit back into chair pose together. Open your arms wide like strong wings and keep pressing gently into each other. Your legs are working hard here, but your upper body stays open and bright. Hold steady and breathe. You're like two birds balancing on one invisible branch. Turn to face each other and step wide into a strong lunge. Bend your front knee and keep your back leg long and powerful. Reach one hand toward your partner and connect in the middle. Pull your other arm back like you're drawing a giant bow. Lift your chest and feel your legs, arms, and belly all working together. You're like two team archers aiming with strength and focus. Then switch sides. Come onto your hands and knees facing each other. Make your backs flat and steady like two strong tables. Lift one hand and reach across for a high five in the middle. Place it down carefully, then switch hands. Try not to wiggle too much while you balance. This wakes up the arms, the core, and your teamwork all at once. Stand facing each other in a wide lunge. Reach one hand toward your partner in the middle and let the other arm stretch back behind you. Now turn your chest gently toward the center and make one long X shape through the body. Keep your front knee strong and your back leg long. This pose wakes up the legs, waist, and arms all at once. You're like two bright lightning lines crossing through the middle with teamwork and power. Then switch sides and try the other direction. Come up to kneeling facing each other with one foot planted in front. Lift your inside hands and press a high five gently together. Stay tall through your spine and steady through your legs. Your balance may wobble a little, and that is okay. This pose teaches strong posture and strong focus. It's like saying, "We've got this," without using any words. Stand wide and turn your toes out. Bend your knees into a strong goddess squat facing each other. Now bring your elbows or forearms together in the middle. Lift your chest and keep your spine tall. Your legs are strong, your belly is awake, and your teamwork helps you hold the shape. You're like two powerful gates standing open and steady. Stand facing each other and cross one arm over to hold your partner's hand. Keep your feet grounded and your chest lifted. Now gently turn your body away from the center while keeping the hand link. Your arm gets long, your waist wakes up, and your shape becomes strong and twisty. This pose builds power through the middle of the body while keeping you connected. You're like two ribbons spiraling away from each other without letting go. Face each other and hold one hand together. Shift your weight onto one foot and slowly tip forward as the other leg lifts behind you. Stretch long from your head all the way to your lifted heel. Let the hand link help you stay steady, but keep your own body strong too. This pose takes teamwork, focus, and a lot of control. You're like two flying arrows moving forward in one clean, strong line. Then switch sides. Sit facing each other with your knees bent and your feet touching. Hold each other's hands and lean back a little. Now lift your feet so the soles press together and your bellies turn on. Maybe you keep your knees bent, or maybe you stretch your legs longer. Keep your chest open instead of collapsing. You are like two little boats floating strong on the same sparkling wave. Place your hands behind you and your feet on the floor facing each other. Lift your hips into a strong reverse tabletop. Now one of you reaches one hand up toward the sky while the other stays steady. Put it down slowly, then switch turns. This pose works the shoulders, arms, back, body, and legs. You're like two bright bridges sending signals through the air. Stand side by side facing the same direction. Shift onto one foot and lift the other knee up in front, like you are getting ready to leap. Reach one arm forward and one arm back to make the shape feel active and alive. Lightly touch one hand with your partner for balance if needed. This pose feels springy, focused, and full of energy, like the two of you are about to jump into your next adventure. Stand facing each other and hold one or both hands for balance. Shift onto one leg and lift the other leg out to the side. Keep your chest tall and your standing leg strong as you hold the shape. Your lifted leg does not need to go super high. What matters is length, control, and teamwork. This pose wakes up the hips, legs, and focus all at once. You're like two bright sparks kicking sideways through the air with strength and confidence. Then switch sides and try the other leg. Stand side by side with a little space between you. Step or lightly jump out into a big star shape and freeze. Stretch your arms wide, your legs strong, and your chest lifted. Hold that final shape with bright faces and strong bodies. This is your big energy finish. You're like two fireworks freezing in the sky at the very brightest moment. Amazing job today. If you had fun with us, tap like and subscribe for more yoga adventures. Thanks for moving with Rumi and Zoey. See you next time.